Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In the Databricks series, we are going to learn how to implement the date functions. So in this video, right, we are going to get the current to date and fetching the year from the date column and also month from the date column. So by using the date functions like current to date, year and month functions. So if at all we want to use the functions of a dates, so we have to import every function from PySpark.sql.functions. Otherwise, we'll get the compile time errors. Now here, right, we are going to use with the column. So the column name is today. So that is a today, comma, current underscore date. So this is going to give us the current day or system date, okay, which is 2026 07 and 07. Okay, so in other use case, we are going to get the year from the order date column. So from the order date, we are going to fetch only year 2024. So we don't want complete date. So let's see how to implement that. Click on enter and keep slash. So we are going to add one more with the column. So here, right, provide the column name is order underscore year. Okay, then year of, in the single quotes, specify the order underscore date column. Okay, make sure one more slash is available in the end and dot show. So let me execute the piece of code again. A new column will be added which is order year, only year being retrieved from the order date column. In another column, we are going to add one more function which is a month function. Using the month function, we can get only month from the order date. So order underscore month. So here month of, in a single quotes, RS, use order df dot order date. Anything is fine. Okay, in the end keep slash. Let me execute this piece of code. So see, only month being retrieved from the order date column. So that's how we can use multiple date functions in a PySpark, and we can write the code in the Databricks notebook and we can display the data here. That's it from this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.